Hey, good morning. Southern Iowa Luddite here. Hi, Burr. Got a morning project going on where I'm trying to take this number 6 underground wire from a building that already has plenty of amperage. I don't have a trencher, but I need to make a trench about 18 inches deep or so. And I need to get it all the way down this building. What I do have is I got a utility tractor with a stump buster on it. And we'll see how this goes. I'll show a little footage showing you how I made this trench, and it should work just fine. So yeah, get it done with what you got. Here's the finished product. I decided to take some old 1.5" Schedule 40 PVC pipe, had an old boot coupler, decided to put the underground wire through that to give a little extra support and protection. So there you have it. Dig a little, drag a little forward, a little backwards. You'll get an 18-inch trench. This whole project should take me about 2 hours. And as I always say, get it done with what you got. Thanks for tuning in.